Earn over $50 with just a few simple steps. You can turn your gaming hobbies into cash by playing games on your phone. This opportunity is available worldwide, so share how you can make money no matter where you are. Step 1. Install the M-Pesa app. To get started, go to the Google Play Store and download the M-Pesa app. This play-to-earn gaming platform allows you to explore a range of games and apps that you can download and play to earn money online. Once the app is installed, the M-Pesa icon will show up on your device. Click on it, complete your registration, and log in. When you open the M-Pesa app, you'll be greeted by the dashboard, where you can find various playtime game offers, surveys, app tasks, and other ways to earn money online. A notable feature of M-Pesa is its global availability, enabling you to earn from virtually anywhere in the world. Step 2. Play games to earn money. For the second step in earning money, you'll need to install play-to-earn game apps. Start by going to the Playtime Games offer at the top and clicking the Play Now button. This action will lead you to the Playtime Games page, where you can explore a variety of games that enable you to earn money online. For instance, I have 2 play-to-earn games available right now, Travel Town and Coin Master. You can install these games on your device and start playing to earn money. Let's focus on the Coin Master game offer. This section will provide details about the game, including its rewards. By installing and playing the Coin Master play-to-earn game app, you'll earn 4,536 M-Pesa coins for the first minute. In the following minute, your earnings will increase to 4,725 M-Pesa coins, and in the next, you'll receive 4,872 M-Pesa coins, continuing to rise with each passing minute. If you play for 20 to 30 minutes, typical for most gaming enthusiasts, you can earn up to 9,800 M-Pesa coins per minute. Your earnings will keep growing but will now increase at intervals of 2 minutes. Be sure to check the reward conditions, which you can view and read. Rewards from the game will be credited to your account within 24 hours. Additionally, this play-to-earn game app and other offers on M-Pesa are exclusive to new users. I recommend creating a new email and registering with the M-Pesa app to ensure you get paid for every offer you complete. Completing all the levels in the Coin Master game may take up to 48 hours for you to receive your total reward of 288,000 coins, equivalent to around $50. To begin, click the Play Now button at the bottom of your screen, which will redirect you to the Play Store to install the game. Once the Coin Master app is installed, open it so we can start playing and earning money online. To earn with the Coin Master play-to-earn game on the M-Pesa app, just press the red spin button to spin for rewards. Each spin will earn you rewards credited to your account, visible in the top left corner. The coins you collect can be used to upgrade and build your village, allowing you to progress to the next level. After a few minutes of playing, return to the M-Pesa app to check your credit notifications. For example, I earned over 40,000 coins after just 8 to 10 minutes of playing Coin Master. By clicking on the balance at the top of the screen, you can see your credit history, which includes earnings from playtime game offers like 4,000, 5,000, and 6,000 coins earned from playing Coin Master every minute. Every minute spent on games from the playtime offers generates income, which is fantastic. When you revisit the Playtime Games offers, you will discover a variety of other games and apps available for download to keep earning money. Some examples include Dice Dreams, Puzzle, and Monopoly Go, one of my favorite games for learning financial lessons while making money. You will also find apps like Make Money Play and Earn Cash, where you're rewarded for completing each level. You can monitor your progress in the My Games section. Step 3. Use additional features to earn more. To increase your earnings with the M-Pesa app, you can utilize its various features. For example, you can complete surveys and earn anywhere from 600 to 2,500 coins for each one, taking about 15 to 18 minutes. Another option is to explore the Top Offers section, which showcases some of the highest paying apps and games. These offers can reward you with between 300 and 2,200 coins, depending on their difficulty level. You can find additional money-making opportunities by looking at various survey options. Just click on one to see different providers, select one, and begin completing surveys for more earnings. Additionally, there are app tasks available where you can install apps and games to collect coins. Another exciting feature is the Scratch It section, where you can scratch cards for a chance to earn coins. For instance, I once scratched one card and received 13,000 coins for free, which was amazing. Furthermore, there's a streak section that allows you to earn 1,000 coins for free by simply logging into the M-Pesa app for 7 consecutive days, and you will also earn a badge as recognition. Step 4. Refer friends for passive income. To create a source of passive income, use the invite feature to refer friends. You will earn 10,000 coins for each friend who installs a game, and they will receive a sign-up bonus, creating a mutually beneficial situation. Just copy your referral link and share it on social media. Step 5. Withdraw earnings. Now let me show you how to withdraw earnings from the M-Pesa app. I currently have over 120,000 coins in my account, which I can redeem by selecting the redeem option. This will present you with the available withdrawal methods based on your location. Each country provides local rewards, including bank transfers, wallet transfers, shopping vouchers, and more. In my country, I have options like Amazon gift cards, Target gift cards, Google Play gift cards, PayPal, and additional alternatives. For instance, I can withdraw a $15 Amazon gift card. However, since I don't have enough coins for a $25 card, I will choose a $5 gift card instead. Once I confirm the reward, the $5 gift card will be delivered within 48 hours, and the link for the gift card will be provided instantly, allowing me to use it for purchases on Amazon. So, you have learned that turning your gaming hobby into a source of income is easier than ever with the M-Pesa app. You should follow these important steps: installing the app, playing games to earn coins, using additional features like surveys, referring friends, and withdrawing your earnings. You can quickly start making money online. Do not waste the opportunities and the global reach of M-Pesa app. Now, I have a question for you. What strategies have you found most effective for earning money through gaming? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel, Profitability Plus, for more tips on how to make money online. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.